Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mindful and Me. This is a 5-minute guided meditation for mental clarity. You've arrived. It's your time to slow down, to breathe, and clear space in your mind. Go ahead and find a comfortable position. Sit tall if you're seated, or lie down if that feels better. Let your hands rest gently, and if you're comfortable, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaws soften. Let yourself settle. Feel your body grounding, supported by the surface beneath you. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do. Just this. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm, the rise and fall. You're not trying to change anything, just watching, just being. Each inhale gently clears a space. Each exhale lets go of what you don't need. If thoughts come, that's okay. Just notice and return to the breath. Let your breath be your anchor. Simple, steady, clear. Now, imagine standing by a calm lake in the early morning. The air is cool. There's a light mist over the water. That mist represents your thoughts, and the fog is the mental clutter. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a gentle breeze moving across the lake. With each breath, the fog slowly begins to lift. You can start to see more clearly the water, the sky, the reflection. Feel your mind becoming that still lake. Clear, focus, quiet. There is space now, room to think, room to just be. Silently repeat to yourself, in rhythm with your breath. As you inhale, I am clear. As you exhale, I am focused. Inhale, I am present. Exhale, I trust my mind. Let these words settle in. Let them guide you back to your natural clarity, the quiet strength already within you. Begin to return to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Take one last nourishing breath in and a slow, steady breath out. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this clarity with you into whatever comes next. And remember, you can return to this space anytime.